This is a super short, super effective core strengthening workout. And what I love about this workout is that we do 3 of my favorite super fabulous core strengthening exercises. And we work in layers. And what that means is that we do an easy or simpler version of the exercise, and then I offer you adjustments and adaptations to make the exercise a little bit harder, because that's how exercise works, to make sure the exercise works for you. Let's get started. We're going to start on our back for a bridge variation. We're lying down, we roll the shoulder blades together, the arms are out to the side in what we like to call a low V, and the feet are flat on the floor. Your toes are facing forward, your heels are a little bit wider than hip width apart, and we're going to come up into a simple bridge. Now, when you're up in this bridge, what we want is your back neutral, which means you have the natural arc of the back. We're not going to round, we're going to keep it in a natural or neutral position. Hold for a moment, and then slowly come back down. We're going to do 8 of those. So you push into your heels, you elevate your pelvis, your back stays neutral, you take a moment, you push into your inner heels, and then we slowly come down. We're on number 2. Now, what I love about this exercise is that it strengthens your glutes. We're on number 3, your hamstrings, your balance, which is super important. Please take your time. If you find yourself going faster, notice that faster might be easier for you, and then go slower. We have 4 more times. Again, we're elevating the hips, pushing into the inner heels, taking a moment when we get to the top of our bridge, and slowly come down. Another thing that's super important to remember when it comes to strengthening, when it comes to exercise, slowly come down. We have, let's do 2 more just to make sure we do enough, is that nothing is binary. It's not like you're doing all 8 with me or you're doing 0. You're welcome to do 6. You're welcome to do 4. Let's get 1 more time. Let's come up, take an extra moment here, push into your inner heels, and then slowly come down. That was super fabulous. Now, we're going to walk the feet closer together as if we have a skinny yoga block between our thighs. And now we're going to make it a little bit harder. But if that last exercise was enough for you, you will repeat the simple bridge. So this one is a one-legged bridge. So you're going to push it to your right foot and take your left leg up to the sky. Point your left toe. From here, we're going to lift and lower our bridge, same way as before, except one leg's up, 8 times. So we're going to come up and down. Now, what I'd like you to focus on, we're at number 2, is pushing into the inner heel of the foot that's on the floor. We're at number 3. Continue to point the opposite leg, that'd be the left leg, up to the sky. That's number 4. Work on keeping your pelvis level or even. That's number 5. Know that progress takes time. This is number 6. But it can be accelerated when you work logically and consistently over time. 1 more time, that's 8. Point that left toe, push into that right inner heel, and then slowly come down. Bring the left leg down, and before we rush to the other side, notice the profound difference between 2 sides. You've woken up the hamstring of the right, and you've worked on stretching on the other leg. So push it to your left inner heel and take the right leg up. Point the toe, extend that right leg towards the sky. Push into the left inner heel, the foot that's on the floor, and we're going to lift and lower 8 times. Now take your time with this and be okay, we're in number 2, with the 2 sides perhaps being uneven. Doesn't mean anything's wrong with you, right? We're here as researchers about our body, not judges. We're in number 4. What it means is you're a human being working with your imbalances, and that's okay. We're in number 5. Focus on pushing into the inner heel of the grounded leg, that would be your left leg. Work on extending or stretching the right leg towards the ceiling. We have 2 more. Do what you can. And 1 more time. Bring yourself up, push into that left inner heel, point that right foot, take a second here, and slowly bring that down. Super fabulous. We're going to flip things over. So now we're on all fours. And I super love this core strengthener because it also works so much on balance. We're going to extend the right leg out. We're going to extend the left arm out. This is called alternate arm and leg. Turn the left palm in, and we're going to lift and lower 4 times. So we come up and down. Now see if you can keep your pelvis relatively level. Let's get 2 more. Let's get 1 more time. Hold it for a moment, and then bring that down. Take a second and notice how your brain feels. Notice how your body feels. Notice how simple exercise makes such a profound difference. Other side. So left leg out, right arm, turn the palm in. And then we're going to come up and down. Now, what do you do if this is way too hard for you? We have 3 more. Just do the leg and not the arm today. That's absolutely fine. 2 more. 1 more time. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. And then slowly, slowly bring that down. So we're going to do that for another round, but we're going to add a layer of challenge. If that first variation was too difficult or difficult enough for you, you stay with that one. We're going to turn this into what I like to call a lateral bird dog. So you're going to extend your right leg and your left arm, and you're going to come up. And then you're going to take it out to the side. And then you're going to come back. Please take your time with this. If it's way too hard, just do the leg. Absolutely fine. Let's get 2 more. This is the kind of exercise you do get better at when you work at consistently. So be sure to save this class and come back to it. Come down for a second. Notice the differences between the 2 sides and notice how your brain feels. How maybe you're more aware of your body. Instead of worrying about your body, we're actually feeling our body. Let's get the other side. I'll talk you through it. Left leg, right arm. Take everything up, and then it's a lateral bird dog. So it comes out to the side and back. If this is way too hard, just do the leg and not the arm. More experienced students work on getting the leg a little bit higher. Let's get 1 more time. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Come back, come to the center. Shift it side to side and notice how you feel. We're going to flip everything over, lying on our back for our last exercise. And this is called dead bug. And we're going to do a simple, non-complicated variation, and then we're going to add on to that. So take your legs up to what we like to call tabletop. Have your hands on your hips. We're looking for a neutral back. Now, if you feel like your back is super arched, pull it down a little bit. But what we do want is a little bit of space in between the lower back and the floor. Your hands are on your hips. If this is way too hard, do 1 leg at a time. So your hands are on your hips. You're going to extend your left leg out, point the toe, take a moment there, and then take it back in. And then do the right leg. So what do you do if you need this easier? You would extend the leg more up to the ceiling. What do you do if you need this harder? You would extend the leg a little bit lower. But what we're looking for, let's get 2 more each way, is that your belly, your core, is perfectly still as you're doing this. See if you can truly straighten the leg without disturbing or moving the belly, the core. Let's get 1 more time. Super fabulous. Bring that down. Now, we're going to do that again. But if you found like that was hard enough, I want you to repeat that. Because remember, you want to be proficient at the simpler version of the exercise before you move on to the next one. And it doesn't take forever, but it does take a little bit of practice. If that felt pretty good for you, or if you've done these exercises with me before, we're going to add on to that. So you're lying down, your legs are back up in tabletop, but now your arms are up and your palms are facing each other. And we're going to be doing alternate arm and leg, kind of like what we did when we were on all fours. So extend the right leg and the left arm, and then go back. Now, if you can, your leg and your arm are getting lower, closer to the floor, but that's not necessary for this exercise to work. The priority here, please continue with me, we're going to do about 4 more each way, is that your belly, your back, is staying perfectly still, or as still as you can, while we're doing this. And what that's doing, it's stabilizing and strengthening the core, which is what the goal, what we're working on today. Let's get a few more times. Maybe you take the leg a little lower. Maybe you take the arm a little bit lower. Last one. And then feet down, arms down, hands on the belly. Notice for a second how organized your body feels. You might feel fatigued, but also perhaps there's more stability, control, and a feeling of strength. Such good work. If you'd like a longer core strengthening class, please see the next video and let me know which of these exercises worked for you and how you feel right now after doing this short, effective workout. Remember, exercise works when you know how to work it.